Welcome back to online classes conducted by Layla English Medium School, Thuni. Good morning, students. Yesterday, already I have started the first lesson from paper 2, and also we have discussed about the immediate provocations of the wars and causes of the wars. Today, we have discussed about the Treaty of Versailles. What is the Treaty of Versailles? When there was completed the First World War, mainly to end the First World War, there was conducted a peaceful conference where it was conducted. The peaceful conference, this is conducted in Versailles. Where is that place? The place which is located in France. For which purpose there was conducted this conference? Mainly to end the First World War. When it was conducted, this is conducted in 1919. Yesterday, already I told you the period of the First World War. What is the period of the First World War? 1914 and 1918. So finally, the First World War, it was ended in 1919 with one peaceful treaty. The peaceful treaty is the Treaty of Versailles. What is the name of this treaty? The Treaty of Versailles. I understand this. When there was conducted this treaty, nearly how many delegations or how many important persons are attended to this meeting? 32 national delegations. 32 national delegations they have attended to this meeting. When they have attended to this meeting, the entire world, this is covered how much of the population? This is covered 3/4 of the population. And when there was conducted this meeting, mainly which countries are attended to this meeting? 5 victorious countries. What are the 5 victorious countries? The 5 victorious countries: US, UK, France, Italy, Japan. These are the 5 big victorious powers. These 5 countries are attended to this conference, and some other countries also there. What are the countries? Socialist Russia, and defeated powers: Germany, Austria, Turkey. What are the countries? Socialist Russia and defeated powers: Germany, Austria, Turkey. So these are the countries. These countries are not invited to this conference. I understand, students. Next, when there was conducted this conference, and also there was participated some of the countries. When these all countries are participated in this conference, mainly these all countries, they have decided taking some decisions about the future of the world. One thing is mentioned here. When they have taken some of the decisions about the future of the world, these countries, they do not take any advices from the defeated powers and socialist Russia. Already I told you, defeated powers Germany, Austria, Turkey, and socialist Russia. These countries are not attended to this meeting. They are not invited to this meeting, and also they are not taking the 5 big victorious powers. They are not taking or they are not asking any advices from these countries. And also these all countries, they have decided. Germany is the main reason to start the First World War. In the First World War, Germany was defeated. So when it was defeated, here these all countries, they have decided, imposed the conditions on Germany. Conditions. already imposed some of the conditions, but Germany, the country Germany, had not respect for it. Germany has not followed them and did not give any respect about them. But finally, these countries, according to this treaty, they have imposed the two penalties or two conditions. What are they? First one, territorial penalties, and second one, military cuts. What is the first one? Territorial penalties. Territorial penalties. As a part of this, here Germany was asked return to some of the African colonies which are occupied by the Germany in 1880. According to first one, in 1880, by the Germany, there was occupied some of the colonies. The colonies are belonging to Africa. They are belonging to which continent? Africa. So when there was imposed this treaty, according to this treaty, Germany immediately handed over these all territories to Africa. I understand? First point. And next, Alsace and Lorraine. Alsace and Lorraine, both are the areas are belonging to France. These two areas are occupied by the Germany in the year 1871. In the year 1871, when the two areas are occupied by the Germany, according to this treaty, what are doing Germany? Immediately these two areas are handed over to France. Or understand? These are the territorial penalties. Next, military cuts. Military cuts. According to military conditions, what are doing Germany? Immediately Germany, it was reduced its military strength. It was reduced its military strength from 9 lakhs to 1 lakh. I understand this point. What are doing Germany? Germany immediately it has reduced its military strength from 9 lakhs to 1 lakh. And next, it does not have any submarines. And also, it was reduced its naval strength. According to that, it should have the 6 battleships. The 6 battleships, they are the 10,000 tons. And it has the dozen torpedo boats. I understand this. So these are the military cuts. According to Treaty of Versailles, by the victorious powers, or this according to this treaty, there was imposed the some of the conditions. The conditions are the territorial penalties and military cuts. Again, these conditions, they are also one of the reasons to start the Second World War. Are you understand this? This is about the Treaty of Versailles. Next, the League of Nations. When there was made the Treaty of Versailles, according to this treaty, there was set up the one of the organizations. What is the name of this organization? The organization is the League of Nations. The League of Nations. When it was established, this is established in 1919. 1919. How it is established here? This is established according to Treaty of Versailles. For which purpose there was established the League of Nations? For which purpose? Mainly to prevent the wars in the future. Already there was happened the First World War. When there was happened the First World War, here most of the people are died, and many of the countries they have get the more laws. So again, did not happen any war in the world or in the future. What are doing? There was set up the League of Nations. What is the aim of the League of Nations? To prevent the wars in the future. When it was establishing, this is establishing in 1919. So when there was established the League of Nations, here two countries, Russia and Germany. Russia and Germany, both countries, they are not invited to become the member of this organization. But what is the reason? Still, Russia and Germany both are supported the wars. For which purpose this is established here? Mainly to controlling the wars. But these two countries, again they have supported the wars. So when they have supported the wars, as a result of that, for these two countries not giving permission to become the member of the organization. What is that organization? The League of Nations. Are you understand? Students, mind it one thing, mainly to set up the League of Nations, at the time one person, he is playing an important role to set up this. Who is that person? The person is the Woodrow Wilson. Who is that person? The person is the Woodrow Wilson. Woodrow Wilson at the time, he is the president of USA. He is the president of USA. The person, he is played an important role to set up the League of Nations. Here, most of the students, they thought one thing here. This is established due to the Woodrow Wilson. So, US already had the membership in the League of Nations. They thought like that. But US did not have membership in the League of Nations. But here US Parliament, US Congress Parliament refused to take the membership in League of Nations. What is the reason? My students, here answer the one question. The US, why did not take membership in League of Nations? What is the reason? Still, US also supported the wars. Here Russia, Germany and US, still they have supported the wars. So, they do not take membership in League of Nations. For which purpose established this organization here? Mainly to prevent the wars or control the wars in the future of the world. But these countries have supported the wars, so they do not take any membership in the League of Nations. Are you understand this? And next, finally, 1934. In 1934, the League of Nations, 58 countries, they took membership in the League of Nations. So 58 countries, they took membership in the League of Nations. That means these 58 countries, they are not supported the wars. Always they have opposed the wars. So they have the membership in the League of Nations. Are you understand this? Okay. So when there was set up the League of Nations, here most of the people, they hoped one thing here. This is prevent the wars through the collective security. Through the collective security or through the support of the other countries. Here most of the countries or most of the people, they have believed this organization was control the wars through the collective security. And also it had controlled the disputes between the countries through the arbitrations and negotiations. Through the arbitrations and negotiations. Are you understand this point, students? When there was set up this League of Nations, here most of the people of the country, they believed it was control the wars through the collective security. It was solve the disputes between the countries through the arbitrations and negotiations. Are you understand this? And next, the League of Nations, it is also set up some of the welfare activities, mainly providing some of the welfare activities to people. By this organization, there was set up the some of the organizations. What are that organizations? For example, to provide the health facilities to all people in the world. By this organization, there was set up the WHO, World Health Organization. World Health Organization, up to now, through the World Health Organization, there is providing the health facilities to all people in the world. When it was set up and where it was set up, in 1948, the WHO was set up by this organization. And next, its headquarters. Where is located the headquarters of the WHO? Geneva. The place Geneva. Where it is located? This is located in Switzerland. Where it is located? This is located in Switzerland. Are you understand this? And second one, mainly to protect the labor or to provide the welfare activities to labor. By this nation, there was set up the another one organization. What is that? That is the ILO. What is the full form of ILO? International Labour Organization. What is that? International Labour Organization. In which year it was set up? 1919. Where is located its headquarters? Geneva. Where it is located? Geneva. Here the headquarters of the WHO and the headquarters of the ILO, both headquarters are located Geneva. In Geneva at Switzerland. Are you understand this? And next, and another one of the organizations is the International Court of Justice. See, nowadays there was started some of the problems or disputes between the countries. So when there was started the disputes between the countries, legally solving of these all disputes, there was set up the one of the court. The court is the International Court of Justice. In which year it was set up? 1945. Where it is located? Hague. Hague. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice, Hague. Where is located the Hague? Netherlands. The country Netherlands. Are you understand this? So these are the organizations. These all organizations are set up by this nation. So finally here is asked the one of the question. What is that asked? What is that question? To control the wars, the League of Nations, it was succeeded or failed? That is the question. It was succeeded or failed? It is not succeeded. It was failed. How it was failed? Already there was made some of the agreements. One country is not attacked the another country. That is the agreement. But the agreements are violated by the two countries. What are the two countries? Germany and Italy. Germany and Italy. Here both countries are violated the agreements and attacked the other European countries. Here to control the attacks of the Germany and Italy, the league was not succeeded. So finally what happened? As a result of this, there was started the another world war, that is the Second World War. Are you understand this? Next, German challenge to principal domination. Already, according to Treaty of Versailles, there was imposed some of the penalties over the Germany. As a result of that, Germany was suffered. So finally, what are doing? Here Germany has decided to take the domination or to take the revenge over the victorious powers. How it is happened? Once again, when there was end the First World War, the victorious powers, here victorious powers, they have decided to punish the Germany. Why? They believe that Germany is the main reason to start the First World War. So these all victorious powers have decided to punish the Germany or to suppress the Germany. Again, it cannot develop or again it cannot rise. Or understand this? So further, what it was doing, already there was made the Treaty of Versailles and also imposed some of the penalties over it. Finally, Germans, most of the Germans, they thought one thing here. What is that? Due to the Treaty of Versailles, all Germans are pushed into slavery. Pushed into slavery. So, when they thought like that, then what happened? Immediately, this is caused a reaction in Germany. So when it is caused the reaction in Germany, then what happened? It is led to rise of Hitler and the Nazi party. When it is caused the reaction in Germany, again it is led to, or as a result of this, immediately rise the Hitler and his Nazi party. Hitler and his Nazi party. Then what are doing? Immediately Hitler and the Nazi party, they have decided. First, they want to establish their dominance or authority over the Central Europe. Central Europe. And already I said about the Treaty of Versailles. According to Treaty of Versailles, they lost some territories. Here, which territories they have lost? Here, Hitler and Nazi party, they have decided immediately to gain them or recover them. Are you understand? And next, according to this treaty, there was imposed the military cuts. According to these military cuts, imposed the one condition. What that condition? Do not use the weapons. Already there is the one restriction over the armaments. Immediately Hitler and Nazi party, they want to remove this restriction over the armaments. Over the armaments. Are you understand this? So finally what happened? After some years, again the country Germany was developed industrialized country. How it is possible? This is possible by the Germans. By the Germans. By the Germans, again the country was developed industrialized country. When it was developed industrial country, then what happened? Immediately they have arranged the massive army. or more military strength. And also they have arranged some of the armaments. Mainly they have established industries, weapon producing industries. When there was established these industries, there was produced the most of the weapons. So when they have arranged the military strength and when they have produced the most of the armaments, here both they have useful to them for next war, that is the Second World War. Are you understand this? This is the German challenge to principal domination. Next one, the fear of socialism under the USSR. When there was happened the First World War, already know very well. As a result of this war, there was died most of the people, and also most of the countries they lost their properties. Then what happened? As a result of this, there was caused the awareness among the people of European nations. What is the awareness caused among the people are upheavals? That means already their neighbors have died and their property, their houses, everything was destroyed in the war. When they have get the most of the loss, then most of the people of Europe they have decided to oppose the wars. So that is the awareness caused among the all people of European nations due to First World War. Are you understand this? Then what happened? Across the European nations, there was conducted the peaceful movements. Mainly these all peaceful movements they have conducted against the wars. When they have conducted, then most of the people they have supported them and they gain popularity in less time. I understand this. And at the same time, in 1917, there was happened the Russian Revolution in Russia. When there was happened the Russian Revolution in Russia, there was set up the first communist state or first communist government. Already I said about it. Communism is the quite opposite to wars. So when there was set up the first communist government, the government which is taken the one decision. What is the decision? There was end the Russia's participation in the war. Up to 1917, the country was participated in the war. But when there was happened the Russian Revolution, the country Russia it was withdraw from the war due to Russian Revolution and due to set up the communist government there, and the government immediately it has taken the one decision end the Russia's participation in the war. And later what happened? USSR. Russia became the USSR in 1924. Before 1924, there is only one country, the country is the Russia. But later, Russia was changed as USSR. What is the USSR? Union of Soviet Socialist States. Union of Soviet Socialist States. So these all states are formed as a USSR. Then onwards Russia is called USSR. Here is the ask the one question. What is that? Russia. Russia when do become as USSR? 1924. Are you understand this? Next, already I told you some of the conferences or movements, revolutions they have started in the Europe against the wars. Here, Western European country Britain. What is the name of that country? Britain. The Western European country Britain, it is afraid the same revolutions are started in their countries. Their countries means Western European countries. So, to stop the same revolutions in their countries, for example, the revolutions are started in their Western European countries, then what happened? Already Britain and other countries, up to then they are ready to participate in the Second World War. When people are not supported them, then what happened? Automatically they are not participated in the war. So to stop these revolutions in their countries, what they are doing? Here Britain, it was supported the Hitler and Nazi party. Immediately what are doing? Hitler and the Nazi party, both are fight against the communism. Both are fighting against the communism. When both are fighting against the communism, and to fight against them, here Britain is follow the one policy. The policy is the appeasement policy. What is the name of that policy? Appeasement policy or appeasement of the Hitler. Britain is follow the one policy. The policy is the appeasement policy. As a part of this, Hitler and Nazi party, they fight against the socialism or communism. Automatically what happened? Those who are supported the communism or socialism, they are not started any conferences or meetings against the war. Especially they are not started in the Western European countries. Are you understand this point? And next, in 1939, two countries are here, Germany and Russia. Germany, Russia, both countries are made the non-aggressive pact. What is the name of this pact? Non-aggressive pact. According to this pact, Germany was not attacked the Russia, and Russia is not attacked the Germany. Are you understand this? Then immediately what are doing Germany? Germany turned against the two countries like Britain and France, and it want to establish its complete mastery. Complete mastery means then onwards, when it was fight against the Britain and France, then Hitler, he was established his complete authority over the Western Europe. Western Europe. Are you understand this? Already I told you, here the two countries, Germany and Russia, both are made the one pact. According to that, they did not attack with each other. But finally, what are doing Hitler? In 1942, Hitler or Germany attacked the USSR in 1942. Are you understand this? And in the same period, Japan, the country Japan attacked the USA. Already I said yesterday, Japan attacked the Pearl Harbor of the USA. In which year? 1941. What is the Japan here? Japan is the allied country of the Germany. Already I said yesterday. What are the countries are participated in the Second World War? Two group of countries: Germany, Japan, Italy versus Britain, France, USSR, USA. I understand. So finally, between these two group of countries, there was started the Second World War. When there was started the Second World War, here the two countries, US, USSR, both are joined and they fight against the Germany. Are you understand this? This is about the fear of socialism and the USSR. These are the today topics. Once again, these are all topics you have read in the textbook. Let's stop here. I will continue tomorrow. Thank you.